How to use Fiverr tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Fiverr and then click the very first link that you see here. These are the features that you can see on their official website. If you tap explore, then you will see here discover, community, guides, podcast, learn, blog, logo maker. If you tap this language here, the English one, then you can select your preferences if you like to switch to Espanol, Italiano, and more. For currency, you can also select US dollar, Australian dollar, euro, and more. Click sign in if you have the account already. Join if you don't have an account yet. So, how to start? First, you just have to click this join button, and then you will see here create an account or create a new account. If you have an account already, click sign in. So as you can see, you can create account on Fiverr using your Google account, email, Apple, or Facebook. But I recommend this continue with Google because this one is the easiest. So this is the first thing that you see here in Fiverr interface. Click Let's see it. So this is what it looks like in case, or let's just say you are a customer or client that is looking for someone who will work for you. So this is the thing or the features you can see first: notification, message, list, orders. Switch to selling if you want to sell or if you want to share your gig. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find an employee or someone who will work for you. Okay, so here you can see the categories. But if you want to search for a specific category, if you're looking for someone who is expert with a specific category or specific work, you can just simply go to the search icon here. So we have here graphic designs, programming, digital marketing, video animation, writing translation, music audio business, consulting, data, AI services. But for the meantime, or for my project, I'm looking for someone who is good at video editing. We have here results for video editing. So for category, you can tap this one again if you want to change category. Service options, you can filter service options here, such as if you're just looking for someone who knows YouTube videos or gaming videos, service offerings, service includes, subtitles, and more. So you can filter your choice here, type here. Once done, you can go to seller details. So if you want someone or if you're looking for a top rated seller, you can tick this box right here or just level 2 or level 1 or new seller. Seller availability if you want to see someone who's online now. Seller speaks English and also other, language here. You can tap see more. And then seller lives in particular city, place, or country. Everything is up to you. All you have to do is to click this box and tap this apply button. But as you can see, I cannot find someone with the specific filters right here. So let me go back. But anyways, if you want to filter your budget, like you just want this mid range, 35-60, sellers will offer this budget right here, which is a fit for my budget too. So you just have to click this and tap apply. Then delivery time. So let's just say after 3 days, after 7 days, or any time, and then click apply button. Now you will see the result below. And for example, we are looking for someone who's good video editing and who is top rated seller here. English and can deliver after 3 days. The budget is 35-60. So the results below are really fit to the type or specific details, right? So let's just say I wanted to hire or I wanted to purchase a product from this specific seller right here. So all I have to do is to click their name. For example, this one. I want to choose him since he is fit into top rated seller and then my budget also with a language and he is online now. So let me view his profile. So once you tap the person's name or the product or the picture itself, you will see the person's name here. You will see he what he offers for basic, standard, and premium. For basic, $50. These are the things that he can do for you. Okay, so these are the projects or work that he can do for you or offer for you for this amount and for basic version. Now, if you want to know what this person offers, if you switch to standard, which is of course the higher amount, 85. So as you can see, advanced. So advanced editing and motion graphics, color grading, or the delivery, 5 revisions. Okay. And then the following here. So if you're okay with this, then you can click continue. But if you want to know what this person offers professional, so you can see the following. Also below, you can see something about or description about his gig or his project. So you can read the following here. And then if you want to know more about the seller, you have to scroll down. You can contact the seller. You can know the person's place, city. Okay, so average response time, language, member, last delivery, and then the person's details here. Okay. Okay, the person's clients too and previous clients. Below, you can see and compare packages if you switch to standard from basic or premium from standard. So you can compare here. And as you can see, of course, I would like to avail the premium rather than the standard or the basic because I can see the advanced features here. So, anyways, if you want to see all of the amount that you need to pay, then you can see it right here for total, and then you can select your plan. Also, the seller added FAQs if you want to know more about like how to send your files, which software they use, or what do you want the seller to do for you. You can go to FAQ, and below you can see the review of the seller. Okay, so this one will give you an exact reason and motivation to choose this person. Okay, so let's just say if you want to continue with the basic version, all you have to do is to click this and then you will see this basic. I will do amazing video editing for anything. You can tap escape quantity, extra fast, 2 days delivery. If you want to do some extras here, but of course there's an added amount. For example, you are in a hurry, so you can go to this extras and then tap from any of these boxes right here. Click continue, follow the instruction, and pay for a specific amount. Now, to switch to seller, or if you want to share your gig, just click the switch to selling, and this is your dashboard. So, 3 steps to become a top seller in Fiverr. All you have to do is to share a gig, explore, learn, and then watch free course if you want to know more. Okay, so here is your details. Okay, here is the dashboard, my business, growth marketing. You can tap this arrow facing down to know more or to see more, and then analytics. Okay, so this is what you see if you switch to salary. Now, what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to share a gig here or how to become a seller. All you have to do is to tap the share gig, and of course, you must have your product with you already, or you must have your images or your PDF or your videos in order for you to share that here. So click this create a new gig. Now we have here gig title. It should be like I will do something for you. Let's just say I will do voiceover, I will do editing, I will create a YouTube channel for you, something like that. So it should start with I will do, okay? And then after that, as you can see, just perfect. Select a category so you can choose from any. For example, it's all about video and animation, like you're doing or you're creating videos for animation. Select subcategory, then you can click, for example, because you want to do voiceover too, so you can go for music and audio or anything about audio, something like that, or music videos if you want. Let's just say, okay, for example. Now, for service type, then you can choose lyric video, music visualization, dance videos, narrative. So it depends on what type of video you do, okay, or you sell. So let's just say for this one, lyric videos, animation and lyric videos. And then select the video type, animated. Now for positive keywords, you can add tags here so that your customer or the client can see you when he or she type the following, for example, edit video. Then probably your name will pop up on the screen or below. But it's a good thing that you add search tags so that the client can easily find your name or the product that you sell. So let's move on to the following. Next to that is the pricing. So we have here packages, basic, standard, premium. Now for basic, of course, you just offer a basic work or project here. Standard is more advanced than basic. And premium is, of course, more advanced than standard. Okay, so as you can see, I have added here the products or the features and the jobs that I can offer for basic, standard, and premium. Okay, for the second one here, the second box here, you can add more details to basic, standard, and premium. Delivery time, so you can choose 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, depends on your delivery time. Availability. Okay, so everything is up to you. Now for revisions, you can select for basic, I can do only one revision. Okay, for standard, two revisions. For premium, five revisions. So do anything that the client would pick this standard or premium if possible. Now I can't offer from any of this here if the client will choose this basic, but if they switch to standard, then I can offer this multi-platform optimization with this amount below. Now, if they choose this premium, then they can have this multi-platform, Ultra HD, custom background, and more. Okay. So running time. So as you can see, the final length of the edited video they're offering in this package. So this one is everything is up to you too. So for basic, let's just tap up to 50. Okay. And for the rest, everything is up to you. Okay, talking about Shutterstock Media. Well, is Shutterstock a thing? Shutterstock is a well known international website that gives you access to a vast collection of licensed, high quality media assets, including audio, image, and video content. Now, if you want to add extra services, you just have to click this extra fast delivery, tap this additional revision, and then also Ultra HD 4K, custom background, additional stock media, everything that you can do aside from what you have mentioned above, is considered as extra service. You can also add here delivery date and also the amount that they need to pay if they avail any of these extra services that you offer. Add gig extra, also same thing. If you want to add gig extra here, you can just simply add additional information there. Let's proceed to description. So, of course, briefly describe your gig. For example, this is my description for my gig. So, professional voiceover, expert video editing, with a little description about that here. Also, you can add this milestone workflow, but this one is not that really necessary to do now. So let's proceed to frequently asked questions or FAQs. You can add questions and answers for your buyers. So, for example, you want your buyers to know some answers ahead. For example, these are the questions that you usually receive, or let's just say these are the questions that you think the buyers or clients would love to ask from you. So you can simply add it right here and also add the answer so that it would be easier for them. Once you're done with that, then you can now click next. And here is your showcase for your products. So this is your gallery, and all you have to do is to add the video sample, one only, and should be shorter than 75 seconds and smaller than 50 MB. Okay. And then also you can add here the images or sample images to impress your client. You can use Canva for editing if you want. Okay, so add a video here, add some photos here, and a sample PDF of your work. Then once done, you can now click next, verify your account because I'm not yet verified. Once done, you can now publish your gig. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use Fiverr as for beginners. So, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe because it helped me reach more people. See you soon.